In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an agreement in Adobe Sign. If you've sent a document for signature and need to stop it before it's completed, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do, along with a few limits to keep in mind so you don't lose time or risk confusion. Start by signing into your Adobe Sign account. From the top navigation, open the Manage page. This is where all your agreements live, organized by status. Find the agreement that's currently in progress, often listed under categories like In Progress or Out for Signature, and select it to open the details view. On the right side, you'll see the Actions panel. Click Cancel. A prompt will appear asking for a reason. Type a clear, concise explanation. This becomes part of the agreement's audit trail and helps recipients understand what changed. You'll also see an option to notify participants. While this is often optional, it's a best practice to leave notifications on so everyone is informed and no one keeps trying to sign a document that's no longer valid. When you're ready, click Cancel Agreement. The agreement immediately moves to a canceled status. Signing links stop working, routing ends, and no further actions can be taken on that document. The record stays in your Manage view under Canceled, preserving the history and your reason for canceling, which is helpful for tracking and compliance. There are a few important limitations. You can only cancel an agreement before all required signatures are completed. Once the agreement is fully executed, the Cancel button disappears. At that point, you may see a Delete option, but that only removes the item from your own view. It does not void, retract, or change a completed contract. If you need to address a fully signed agreement, handle it through your organization's standard process, such as an amendment or a new agreement. If you're a recipient rather than the original sender, you can't cancel the agreement yourself. What you can do is decline to sign. Declining immediately halts the workflow and notifies the other participants. However, only the sender has the authority to officially cancel an in-progress agreement from their Manage page. To recap, log in, go to Manage, select the in-progress agreement, click Cancel, enter your reason, choose whether to notify participants, and confirm. Use a clear reason and keep notifications on to maintain transparency. That's the cleanest way to stop a document in Adobe Sign before it's completed.